Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series. In our previous episode, we have designed another version of header section. Now let's continue design this home page. Next section it is about me section. Okay, so let's insert a one column section like this, and let's insert about 150 padding at the top, 150 at the bottom. Okay, for this default background green color we have to change it in customizer, or you can change it here in the page setting style. You can set background color here. Okay, next heading about me. Okay, then divider, left align, width about 3. Okay, color, yes, okay, like this. Then text editor, let's get some text. Okay, let's copy this and paste it here. Drop cap enable. Okay, and column, 2 column, and column gap about 30 pixels. Even we can even try 50 pixels. Okay, here. Then go to style, drop cap, div stack frame. Okay, stack primary color, background, secondary color, primary, like this here. And size, what about 10, 15, 20? Okay, that's it. Size, add a span of 3 lines here, like this. Span of 3 lines. Okay, then space. Okay, that's it. Then text editor, justified, typography, line height, oh there is something tricky here. Line height is not working. Let's try emphasis. Oh, line height is not working. There is something wrong here. Then set to the default. Oh, okay, here looks little congested, too much text. As you can see here, here is too much text. So let's go back here. Here, let's insert a paragraph. too much text. Yeah, little. Oh, something tricky here. This text is not aligned at the top. This is not something we like. Go here, section setting. Let's see if it works, but can align top. No, it is not working. It is not affecting this text editor widget. And in this text editor itself, there is this option alignment. This is center, left, right, but not for this vertical alignment. It is only horizontal alignment. This is regrettable, or something tricky here. Okay. Yeah, something tricky. This auto population of this two column of text editor widget or multi-column text editor widget is a little troublesome for this alignment. Auto population is not working to our to the best of our expectation. So if you want to design properly, I think we have to use inner section, and we have to use two separate text editor widget, but that's not the best practice. Okay, let's leave it here for now, and preferably okay. Here there is signature. You can edit using image widget or icon widget, and you can upload SVG signature in the SVG format. And I do not have the signature, so I'll just insert a button. Yeah, once again I want to insert this button at the end of this column, but since I do not use inner section or inner columns, this is only single column, so I cannot position this button here. If I want to do possibly, I have to use absolute positioning and align here. That's not the best practice, once again. So I think it is better to insert this inner section like this, column gap white, and drag and drop this text editor widget. One column, copy this paste it here. Okay, something like this. Then in that case we can put this button here. Yeah, like this. And inner section default. Okay, column gap default. But there is no gap micro space between these two columns, so we have to go to the column here. Then widget space. Let's see if this widget space works for this center micro space. 40. No, it's not working. 100. Yeah, it's not working. It's not working here in this column. In that case, go to advanced margin, to the right about 20. Here, same here in this column, left margin about 20 pixels. Okay, there is this 40 pixel inner space margin. And for the button, medium size, hire me, link to container space. Okay, contact, hire me, all these call to action buttons lead to single page, container space, hire me. So yeah, we can, if you want to add call to action button on this home page, do not add to more than 2 types of call to action button or buttons. Too much choices. Do not give the visitors too much choices. Too much choices means confusing. Lots of choices means lead to hesitation, confusion. So it might reduce the rate of conversion. So preferably keep only one type of call to action button. Okay, here we have designed this about me section. Then next is this skills, my skill section. Okay, so my skill section, this is also looks like same with the above section, 2 column section, but it is not 2 column section, but double 2 column section, means two column sections. Here this is another one section, and here this is another section. So here we have to use 2 separate inner sections. Okay, let's insert 1 column section, style, background color, advanced 150, 150 at the bottom. Okay, then insert inner section, two column inner section. Okay, copy this, paste it here. My skills, sorry, and copy this divider, paste it here. Then text widget, copy this, paste it here. Not too much text. Okay, like this, a little phrase or few lines. Then another inner section here. Okay, yeah. Then insert bar, sign up progress bar or default progress bar, sign up progress bar. See, end of Photoshop. %90 style, color, so little set. Okay, Photoshop, Photoshop, duplicate, end of Illustrator, Corel Draw, end of XD, Adobe Animate, copy this, paste it here. Then Corel Draw, Inkscape, Sketch. Anyway, we have 6 skill bar here. That's enough. Okay, here we are using two inner sections here. For the layout itself, for the desktop screen, we can use only two column section. Here let me design another section using two column section like this. Here we will have the same effect, 150 at the top, 150 at the bottom. Copy this, paste it here, copy this, paste it here, copy this, paste it here. Okay, then copy this, paste it here, 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 paste it here. Okay, here in this text editor widget we can add padding or margin at the bottom about 40, 30. Okay, yeah, we have the same effect on the desktop screen. You cannot see the difference between these two layout. For regarding the layout itself, it looks much cleaner because we use only one section here, but here we use one large outer wrapper section, one column section, and two inner two column sections here like this. So for the layout itself, this looks much cleaner, it looks nice. I think it is the best. But if you look in the mobile screen here, you will see the difference. Let's go to the mobile. Here, yeah, here this text should, yeah, this text should be here. This text content should comes after the my skills and below this. Yeah, but here because because this the text editor and these headings are in different columns, so in the mobile screen, in the responsive layout, they are, yeah, rendering or on different places. This breaks down the layout that we have on the desktop screen, the presentation, the storyline. So that's why, even though we do not like this, lots of inner sections, this section wrappers, columns, lots of columns, we have to depend on this layout instead of this. So yeah, that's just, we have two choices here, but for the sake of mobile screen, where you are using this layout is instead of this. Okay, I hope you understand why I choose the above layout instead of this below layout. Okay, yeah, if you have any questions, doubts, don't hesitate to contact me, leave a comment below. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Yeah, see you in the next episode.